Welcome to day 18 of our 30 days Pilates challenge. Today we are focusing on full body integration, connecting the upper body, core, and lower body into a seamless, balanced workout. This exercise will help improve strength, coordination, and overall body awareness. Let's get started. We will start with a quick warm-up to prepare your body and awaken those stabilizing muscles. Let's begin with head nods. Lie down on your back. Inhale, gently nod your head as if you are saying yes, lengthening the back of your neck. Exhale, return to neutral. This helps release the tensions and align the cervical spine. Imagine your head is floating on your spine like a balloon. Now let's work on elevation and depression of scapula. Still lie on your back. Inhale as you lift your shoulder towards your ears. Exhale, sliding down your back, focusing on engaging the muscles around your shoulder blades. Keep your chest open and avoid crouching during the movement. If you have round shoulder posture issue, then you might place your palms facing toward your body. Next, let's work on arm circles. You're going to inhale, prepare, exhale, bring your palms toward to the ceiling, and then open to the side to the shoulder height, and then circle all the way down to your hip. You're going to continue the circles with a small range and gradually increase the range of the circle once you are ready. Let's continue for 10 more repetitions in this direction, and then we are going to reverse the direction later. You should feel the connections from your shoulder to your core and keep your shoulder relaxed and down. Avoid any tensions in your neck area. Now we are ready for our main workout today. These moves will challenge your strength, coordination, and body control. Let's begin with one leg kick. Lie on your stomach with your forearms on the mat, elbows under your shoulders, and your chest lifted. Engage your abdominal to protect your lower back. Inhale, keep one leg heel towards your glute thighs. Exhale, switch to the other leg, alternating the legs with the flow. If it feels too intense, lower your chest slightly or place a small cushion under your hips for support. Keep your pelvis stable and your core engaged. Imagine there was a tiny fire under your belly button. Always engage your abdominal during the whole movement. Feel free to take any break in the between when you need it. Alright, let's revert ourselves with the child pose. Sit back onto your heels and extend your arms forward and lower your forehead to the mat. Breathe deeply, allowing your body to relax and release any tensions. Next, to the series prep. Sit tall on the mat with your knees bent and feet flat. Palms are reaching forward and parallel to the ground. Inhale, scoot your abdominals and slowly roll back until you are about to lift your feet. Stay controlled and then exhale, reaching your palms overhead and engage your abdominal, flex forward again. Return to the starting position. Keep your shoulders away from your ears and focus on using your core to maintain the balance. let's get into the final exercise of today, push-up. You're going to stand at the end of the mat and then start rolling down, walk your palms and get into a plank position. Lower your body for 3 counts and we are going to finish 3 repetitions for the push-up. Exhale and you finally walk your palms back and then start to roll back up to the starting position. For the beginners, feel free to drop your knees to the mat to maintain a proper form, focusing keeping your core engaged. Avoid letting your hips sag or lifting them too high. Fantastic job everyone on completing day 18. Let's cool down with the child pose. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more sections. I will see you tomorrow for day 19.